At 941 Window Cleaning, we offer professional window cleaning and pressure washing services for interior and exterior residential and commercial buildings. Serving the Sarasota, Bradenton, Venice, and Sun City areas, with over 9 years of experience, our crew has mastered every aspect of cleaning and detailing windows, pressure cleaning decks, and pavements. No job is too big or too small. All pressure washing and sealing is environmentally friendly. The self-contained system uses high-low water flow, which in most cases eliminates the need for chemicals, keeping landscaping, such as flowers, trees, and lawn, safe. Try our roof soft wash cleaning method recommended by most roofing companies. It will maximize curb appeal and increase the value of your home by returning the roof to its original beauty and charm. Please contact us to schedule a free quote with absolutely no obligation or pressure to buy. Call us at 941-536-5971. You can also visit our website at 941windowcleaning.com.